Hey guys, so in this quick video I'm going to talk about on how you can connect your record box to DDJ FLX4. So there are two ways like how you can connect the mobile to a mobile app. Two ways. So through the USB-C or Bluetooth. There are two USB-C ports on the back of the controller, one for data, one for power. Connect the power port to all charger using the USB-C cable. And then just gonna connect your device to the data port using the appropriate USB cable. USB-C to Lightning for iOS or USB-C to USB-C for Android. Ensure your speakers and headphones are connected for proper audio output and queuing. Bluetooth connection. You're gonna just enable Bluetooth on your mobile device and open the rekordbox app. Then you're gonna have indicated it's ready to pair. The DJ Bluetooth video will flash. In the app, tap the Bluetooth option, select the connect, and you got it. So that's how it's done. And if you need to use headphones for queuing, use the split cable and enable split audio, and always use latest version of the rekordbox mobile app. And this is what you want to do. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.